Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson Adaptation in Plants and solving the exercise. Okay, so let us see here. These are the sum points, means 4 points are there. We are going to read this one. Point 1. Animals adapt to their natural habitat and environment for their survival. Animals adapt to their natural habitat and environment for their survival. Point 2 is animals can be classified into terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, aerial animals, arboreal animals according to their habitat. Animals are classified on the basis of their habitat, such as terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, arboreal animals, aerial animals and amphibian animals. These all animals are classified on the basis of habitat. Now, Point 3. Animals can be classified into carnivores, omnivores, herbivores according to the food they eat. In point 2, animals are classified according to their habitat. In point 3, animals are classified according to their food they eat. They are carnivores, omnivores and herbivores. These are the 3 types of animals. The animals are classified into 3 types: carnivores, omnivores, herbivores according to their food habit. Point 4. Their body parts and color to adapt to their natural habitat. Animals adapt to their natural habitat and environment for their survival. That type, their body parts, look here in this picture, their body parts and color to adapt to their natural habitat. See in this picture kids, how they adapt to their color, how they are adapt body parts and color to their natural habitat. Now, see exercise. Question 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Before going to fill these sentences, you pause the video, read the lesson and read these all statements and options first of all, because without reading, you can't solve this one exercise. Understood, no kids? So, see here. Dash animals predominantly or entirely live on land. Dash animals predominantly or entirely live on land. Here in options, terrestrial animals, aerial animals or arboreal animals. Which animals live on land? Terrestrial animals. Right here, terrestrial animals predominantly or entirely live on land. B. Dash is a natural habitat of fish. Air, land or water. Where are fish are there? Where are fish live? In water, no? Yes. Right here, water is a natural habitat of fish. C. Dash is a flightless birds. Options: peacock, emu or eagle. Emu, because it is a heavy bird. It has a weight. It is a big bird. D. dash dash is a migratory bird. Options: eagle, flamingo, ostrich. Flamingo. Flamingo is a migratory bird. Flamingo. Flamingo is a migratory bird. Now, E. Animals that eat both plant and animal are called herbivorous, carnivores, or omnivores. Omnivores. Right here. Animals that eat both plant and animals are called omnivores animal. Omnivores. Now next. Question 2. Circle the odd one from each set. Circle the odd one from each set. Set means here for one line 4 rows are there. You read this one and remove the odd word from this line. A. Koala bear, crow, chameleon and lizard. In this koala bear, chameleon and lizard, which word will you remove? Crow. Second one, B. Toad, salamander, frog and octopus. Toad, salamander, frog, octopus. We'll remove this one, octopus. C. Penguin, kiwi, ostrich and eagle. Penguin, kiwi, ostrich and eagle. Which word will you remove? Eagle. Now D. Polar bear, horse, goat, deer. Polar bear, horse, goat and deer. Which word will you remove? Polar bear. Polar bear. Now question 3. Tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. Before going to tick and cross, we should read this one. All birds can fly. Wrong. It is a wrong. Heavy birds can't fly. So it is a wrong. Cross here. B. A bat is a bird. A bat is a bird. It is also wrong. Bat is not a bird. Bat is a mammal. Cross this one. C. Aerial animals stay in the air all the time. No, wrong. Most of the time aerial animals stay in the air, not the whole time. Most of the time, so it is also cross. D. Frog hibernate in water. Yes. Frog hibernate in water. Yes, it is correct. E. Snakes swallow their prey fully. Yes. Snake swallow their prey fully. This time we completed our tick the correct and cross for the wrong ones. Now question number 4. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question A. Why do polar bear have thick fur? Why do polar bear have thick fur? So you pause the video 2 minutes. Find out the answer. The whole answers are there in your textbook. Pause the video 2 minutes. Find out the answer. Okay? See. Why do polar bears have thick fur? The polar bear that lives in an extremely cold polar region has a very thick fur which protects it from extreme cold. This thick fur protects the polar from extreme cold. So the polar bear have thick fur on their body. This type answer you got in your textbook. Turn the page, I will show you. See in this page. Read this one paragraph. You will get answer. The polar bear, a terrestrial animal that lives in the extremely cold polar region, has a very thick fur which protects it from the extreme cold. Now, question B. Camel is the most suitable animal for the desert region. Why? Camel is the most suitable animal for desert region. Why? Okay, you pause the video and find out this one. Turn the page. Read the lesson. See, I will show you answer, I'll give you answer. Answer B. A camel lies in the hot, dry desert. Its long legs keep the body away from the hot sand, while its thick lips and tongue help it to eat the thorny bushes found in desert. The camel's hump is a storehouse of fat that it uses when it does not get any food or water for days on end. Got answer? Find out. See, it is here. A camel lies in the hot, dry desert. Its long leg keep the body away from the hot and sand, while its thick lips and tongue help it to eat the thorny bushes found in deserts. The camel's hump is a storehouse of fat that it uses when it does not get any food and water for days on end. Understood? This time you find your own answer. C1. Why do monkeys have long, strong and curly tails? Why do monkeys have long, strong and curly tails? Answer. Monkeys live on trees most of the time. Monkeys live on trees most of the time. Monkeys have long, strong tail with which they can swing from the branches of the tree. Monkeys, most of the time, they spend on trees. So, monkeys have long, strong tail with which they can swing from the branches of trees. Understood? Now, D. Why do some animals hibernate? Why do some animals hibernate? Answer. There are some animals that become inactive during the harsh winter, severely hot summer. There are some animals that become inactive during the harsh winter or severely hot summers. Animals like bats, squirrel, mice, bears sleep through the winters since their bodies are unable to adjust to the extremely low temperature. So some animals hibernate. In harsh winter, severely hot summer, animals like bats, squirrel, mice, bears sleep through the winters since their body are unable to adjust the extremely low temperature. So some animals hibernate. Now question E. Why do some animals and birds migrate? Why do some animals and birds migrate? Answer. In certain seasons, animals and birds migrate in order to breed, find or avoid the extremely cold weather. Animals migrate in order to breed, find food and avoid the extreme cold weather. Okay, now see next question. Give question number 5. Give reason for the following. Give reason for the following. A whale is different from a fish. Answer. Whales also live in water but come up to the surface breathe because they use their lungs and not gills for their breathing. Yes, whales are different from the fish. Whales also live in water but come up to the surface to breathe because whales use their lungs and not gills for the breathing. Now B question. Arnatai with her family is migrating to Delhi from Kolhapur. This migration is different from the migration of flamingos. Yes, correct. Yes. Arnatai with her family is migrating to Delhi from Kolhapur. This migration is different from the migration of flamingo because flamingo migrate in order to breed, find food or avoid the extreme cold condition. That type Arnatai is not a migrate for find food or breed or avoid the extreme cold condition. She migrate for maybe some reason for her job, some family problems. She is not migrate for breed. She not migrate for find of food. She not migrate for in the avoid the extreme cold weathers. Understood no? Arnatai's migration is different and flamingo's migration is different. Okay. Now kids, you read the lesson, whole lesson, learn the all new difficult words and solve the exercise first in your textbook. Next, then copy it in your notebook along with question answers. All these question answers I will give you in homework as a homework. Thank you for watching the video.